Number 1. 1978 Ford LTD. We're starting strong with a big, full-size Ford that's actually running and driving. Sort of. This 1978 Ford LTD has a 351 Windsor, backed by what should be a C6 transmission, and the seller bought it directly from the original owner. Clean title in hand, which already puts this ahead of a lot of cheap projects. It's been sitting for years, so the fuel tank is rusted through, and it's currently running off a jug with an electric fuel pump. Front brakes work. Rear brakes still need a hose. And the biggest issue is electrical. Moisture got into the cabin, and the fuse box is shot. So it's basically hot-wired with switches right now. Not road-ready, but 40+ psi of oil pressure and good shifting make this one feel like a real save. Number 2. 1967 Ford Galaxie 390. Next up is a serious classic with serious caveats. A 1967 Ford Galaxie with a numbers-matching 390 big block and just under 100,000 original miles. Two-owner car, sat since 1986, and apparently spent part of its life as a preacher's car. It needs the brakes freed up and a complete wiring harness. And while it was cranked about a year ago, it hasn't moved in decades. There's also no title, and the seller is only interested in trading for a Harley. This is one of those cars where the drivetrain alone is the story, but it's not a casual project. Number 3. 1959 Ford Galaxie Fairlane. Here's a true long-term survivor. A 1959 Ford Galaxie Fairlane 500 that hasn't run in over 50 years. It rolls and steers, but that's about it. There's a lot of rust, no title, and both bumpers are already gone. The seller says there are lots of good parts, and honestly, that's what this is, a parts car or a very ambitious resurrection. This is not something you get running on a weekend. It's the kind of car you buy because you already have a plan. Number 4. Graciously proportioned and quietly authoritative. This 1972 Oldsmobile 98, priced at $6,500 in Potts Camp, Mississippi, reflects the full-size luxury focus of early 1970s Oldsmobile design. It uses an automatic transmission, paired with a 455 Rocket V8, and presents in green with a black interior that emphasizes comfort over flash. Recent servicing and new tires are noted, along with functioning power windows and a solid, straight body. Described as running and driving, this 98 carries a clear title and offers a composed, traditional driving experience, aligned with its era and intent. Number 5. Angular and era-defining in its presentation, this 1984 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Coupe, two-door, priced at $6,500 in Lawrenceville, Georgia, reflects customized styling layered over a traditional rear-wheel drive platform. It uses an automatic transmission, paired with a 307 cubic inch engine and a 350 transmission. The burgundy finish is a vinyl wrap over primer rather than paint, while the red interior reinforces its period character. Oversized 22-inch wheels are fitted for visual impact, though clearance adjustments are needed. Described as running and driving, this Cutlass presents a personalized take on a classic mid-1980s coupe. Number 6. Refined and capable, this 1985 Ford F-250 4x2, priced at $7,500 in Battleground, Washington, features an automatic transmission and a red exterior paired with a black interior. Showing 100,000 miles and holding a clean title, the truck has received a partial restoration that includes fresh paint inside and out, a new headliner, re-upholstered front seat, new cab seals, a rear sliding window with new seals, and updated electrical and braking components, such as the voltage regulator, alternator, starter, master cylinder, and brake pads. Powered by a 460 cubic inch engine, it runs and drives exceptionally well, presenting a well-maintained long bed pickup for buyers seeking a dependable late 1980s Ford with strong mechanical reliability. Number 7. Resilience defines this 1967 Ford Ranch Wagon, offered at $4,500 in Albion, New York. Pairing an automatic transmission with a freshly rebuilt 289 cubic inch engine. Using a new timing set, valve seals, oil pump, water pump, gasket set, Edelbrock Performer intake, and a 600 CFM Edelbrock carburetor. Keystone wheels with wide rear tires complement a patina exterior showing minor rust and small dents, while the interior retains clean seats, an intact dash, and working accessories. Updated brake components, included exhaust parts, and solid underside condition make this long roof project an appealing late 60s wagon with simple needs before hitting the road. Number 7. Resilience defines this 1967 Ford Ranch wagon, offered at $4,500 in Albion, New York. Pairing an automatic transmission with a freshly rebuilt 289 cubic inch engine. Using a new timing set, valve seals, oil pump, water pump, gasket set, Edelbrock Performer intake, and a 600 CFM Edelbrock carburetor. Keystone wheels with wide rear tires complement a patina exterior showing minor rust and small dents, while the interior retains clean seats, an intact dash, and working accessories. Updated brake components, included exhaust parts, and solid underside condition make this long roof project an appealing late 60s wagon with simple needs before hitting the road. Number 9. Refined and classic. This 1977 Lincoln Town Car, priced at $3,500 in Somerset, Kentucky, features an automatic transmission and a burgundy exterior with matching interior. Showing 100,000 miles and 3 or more owners. It has been updated with Phytec fuel injection for reliable starting. Though the starter may eventually need attention, the exterior is generally solid, with rust appearing on the vinyl roof, while the interior requires minor work, including patch panels for the passenger side floorboard, new carpet, and dash repair. Mechanically sound, with nearly new tires, this town car offers a traditional full-size Lincoln experience with manageable restoration needs. Number 10. Stylish and confident. This 1981 Buick Riviera Coupe 2-door, priced at $7,000 in Denton, Texas, features an automatic transmission and a tan exterior with matching interior, showing 81,500 miles and a single owner. It comes paid off with working power windows, seats, locks, mirrors, and trunk, plus a functioning sunroof and good heating. Recent maintenance includes new brakes, tires, carburetor, water pump, fuel pump, and battery, with rear air shocks added. The exterior is solid, with no frame rust and good floors. The only noted issue is a non-functioning fuel gauge, making this a well-maintained example of early 80s Buick luxury. Number 10. Stylish and confident. This 1981 Buick Riviera Coupe 2-door, priced at $7,000 in Denton, Texas, features an automatic transmission and a tan exterior with matching interior, showing 81,500 miles and a single owner. It comes paid off with working power windows, seats, locks, mirrors, and trunk, plus a functioning sunroof and good heating. Recent maintenance includes new brakes, tires, carburetor, water pump, fuel pump, and battery, with rear air shocks added. The exterior is solid, with no frame rust and good floors. The only noted issue is a non-functioning fuel gauge, making this a well-maintained example of early 80s Buick luxury. Number 12. Compact and sporty. This 1973 Oldsmobile Omega, priced at $8,000 in Cocoa, Florida, features an automatic transmission with a red exterior and black interior, showing 388,537 miles and a clean title. It remains a well-preserved example of an early 70s Oldsmobile coupe. Its combination of original condition and usability makes it a straightforward, ready-to-enjoy classic. The Omega was part of Oldsmobile's effort in the early 1970s to offer a smaller, more economical model with stylish design and reliable performance, bridging the gap between compact and full-size offerings of the era. Number 13. Bold and utilitarian. This 1979 Chevrolet El Camino, priced at $4,500 in Newberry, South Carolina, features a 5.0 V8 paired with a TH200 automatic transmission, currently requiring manual shifting due to transmission work. The red exterior presents cleanly, and the vehicle is paid off with a clean title and no significant damage reported. Running and driving. It offers a straightforward classic coupe truck experience. The El Camino was Chevrolet's versatile blend of car and pickup providing both style and utility in a single model during the late 1970s. Number 14. Rugged and upgraded. This 1964 Chevrolet C23 ton pickup, priced at $8,500 in Claremore, Oklahoma, features a 307 engine with a TH350 automatic transmission. The gray exterior and interior are well maintained, with the interior carefully restored. Recent upgrades include a new fuel system, 100-amp alternator, aluminum radiator with electric fan, column linkage, tune-up, brake master cylinder and booster, one-piece drive shaft, shocks, HEI ignition, and dual exhaust. Equipped with original extras such as steel wheels, underdash AC unit, and trim pieces, this C20 runs, drives, and stops well, offering a versatile base for finishing to personal preference. Number 15. Distinctive and unfinished in its early 80s performance form. This 1983 Dodge Shelby Charger, priced at $800 in Fayetteville, Tennessee, wears a blue exterior with a matching interior and uses a manual transmission. The engine and transmission were removed after a camshaft issue, though all components are included. Described as a non-turbo example, it retains a clean interior, factory louvers, and a largely rust-free original body. With a clean title noted and no reassembly started, this Shelby Charger remains a clear-cut candidate for hands-on mechanical completion.